This video is sponsored in part by Well People. All aboard the struggle bus. Beep, beep, toot, 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 beep, beep. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be doing a very requested video for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me to do a really quick, like 5-ish minute face of makeup to get on camera for a Zoom meeting. We're all pretty familiar with Zoom meetings at this point. A lot of us are working from home still, and there's just something to be said for the fact that you are staring at yourself in your own monitor a lot, and that, yeah, sometimes this isn't enough. Sometimes what you woke up with isn't enough, and honestly, this is not what I woke up with. I've already done a little bit of skin prep today, which brings me to today's sponsor. So I am partnering with Well People for a portion of this video. You're gonna see some Well People products in this video because I'm helping them announce that they are now in store at select Ultas. So I also did all of my skin prep over on my Instagram, so you guys can check out that Reels over there. But I am going to still apply one more because I just can't get enough. And you guys know, I am a big fan of Well People. I have partnered with them in the past. I've been using their stuff for years, but they've really revamped the brand. They've repackaged everything. They have done a lot of reformulation. They've expanded their shade ranges, and all the stuff that you're gonna see today from them, that's not true. I'm probably gonna pull out some of my like old faves, but a few of the things, a good bit of the things that I'm gonna be using today are going to be like completely new Well People products to my channel, and bonus, I'm keeping this all drugstore today. So it's gonna be very accessible, very easy, very quick, beginner friendly, and also available at your local Ulta. And if you don't have a local Ulta or they're not in your local Ulta, you can obviously shop the links, you know, everything's gonna be down below. You can still shop them online. So I'm gonna move you guys in. We will put on a super quick, well, it would be super quick if I didn't run my mouth, but we all know that that's the fun part, is running my mouth, right? But yeah, this is gonna be like incredibly lightweight and easy. I'll talk to you guys about how I trim my routine down to make it faster, because I know me. I know my tendency to get into the weeds. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. When I say that I've been on the struggle bus this morning, so I was filming something else earlier and I had to shorten the legs on my tripod. Shortened one leg, fine. Shortened the second leg, fine. The third leg, I went to reach for it, but the thing just being so imbalanced just came and smacked me right, like my camera smacked me right here, and I know I'm going to be feeling it later. It was like one of those moments where I just had to like take a second, you know, because it was, even though I was the only person in the room, I was super embarrassed, and also it was super painful. I was like birds around my head, you know? So real quick, I did want to go over the skin prep with you guys because this morning I woke up crusty, and this is just, you guys know, I like experimenting with my skin prep, seeing how it can kind of change my whole face of makeup, inspire my look that day, you know, just sort of include it in my routine essentially. I started with the Plant Powder Foliant Renewing Charcoal. This is like one of those, you know, just add water kind of powder situations. Also, even though it's just, you know, white packaging, you would think that's plastic. It's not, it's glass. We love to see it. This is just like that invigorating moment where, you know, it just kind of like foams up and enzymes on your face and just gets the morning crud off. And then I used this. This is the Juice Cleanse Soothing Aloe Face Cleanser. Smells incredible, and not like fragrancy. It's just the ingredient. Oh, it's so nice, and it's just kind of a lightweight gel. I rubbed it all over my face and my eyes, nothing, you know what I mean, no irritation or anything. Then I went in with their little eye cream here. This is the Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel. And then I used the Fresh Dew Snow Mushroom Gel Cream Moisturizer. Such a good like morning moisturizer, especially with this many steps, because it's super lightweight, but it also feels freaking incredible. And then I ended with this, and I'm gonna put more of it on because I'm obsessed with it. So this is the Plant Elixir Replenishing Botanical Facial Oil, and it's really more like an oil serum. The bounce that it gives my skin is addictive. So let's do a little bit of this. I say that it's like a, I mean, yes, it is an oil, but it's more of like a lightweight serum. I feel like just about anybody could use this. It's not heavy at all. Oh my goodness gracious. My skin, especially in the wintertime, just drinks this kind of thing in. And I just like that it's not super dewy, but it does give my skin such a pretty bouncy appearance and feels phenomenal. It really feels wonderful. So yeah, none of these is super, super occlusive. I feel like they're gonna work really well for a lot of skin types, and I just like that it's really gentle. So the first, it's so windy outside. We've been having storms and stuff, and like the temperatures have been going from like 65 degrees to like 20 degrees during the day. I don't know. I find it exciting. Texas was just like the same all the time. Like I don't even remember checking the weather most of the time, and here it's just a laugh a minute. Okay, so the first thing that's new to my channel here is the new Bio Tint SPF 30 Tinted Moisturizer. I got this in 2 shades just to like see, and I can swatch the other one for you guys. Yeah, so I got it in 1C and 2W just to see which one was gonna be kind of an ideal match for me. It's really, really lightweight, so you know, doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just a really pretty kind of SPF tinted moisturizer thing. So we got the cool one right there, that's 1C, and this is 2W, and I have been going with the cool toned one. I feel like it's just got the right amount of peachiness to it, and it's just a little bit fairer, but I really probably could use both. So I just take a squirt of that. Just blurs and does some gentle correction, but I always say you're kind of setting the tone for how much makeup you're going to wear by how much coverage is in your base. Obviously, that's not always like a steadfast set in stone rule, but I feel like that kind of thing is also what sets the tone for how much time it's going to take me. So like, if I wasn't jabbering, it'd be like 5 seconds. It's so pretty, just like such a pretty finish. And it does tolerate powder pretty well, you know, obviously not like a full bake, but like I use my super powder in Pearl and it's very nice. I am actually gonna go in with a little bit of concealer just because that is so light coverage, but it lends itself to me being able to selectively cover where I want. Drugstore, going in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer from Maybelline. This thing is just one of the quickest concealers, and something that I found if you really want your makeup routine to be like quick and natural looking, stay in your natural skin tone. You know, if you go in with something really, really brightening, you're gonna end up more made up, and it's gonna, at least it makes me feel like I have to make up the rest of my face to go with it. But like, look, that's exactly just like a skin match for me, just a complexion match. And so it's like, if I don't blend it perfectly, it's gonna be okay. Also, I put a hydrocolloid patch on this thing last night, and it really wasn't even that big. I feel like it turned it into a pimple, like a real one. I was like, that's not how that's supposed to work. That felt unfair to me. I was like trying to do the right thing. You see? Boop, boop, boop. Easy squeezy. Boop, bip, bop, boop. Now, I will go ahead and spoil it for you guys. One of the fastest ways for me to like get in the weeds on a skin routine or a makeup routine, is to like pull out a full-on eyeshadow palette and go in on my eyes, like aim to do like a full routine with like eyeliner and everything. That's just a really quick way it's a quick way for me to lose time. It's an easy way for me to lose time on my makeup routine. So that's probably going to be the area that I simplify the most. But complexion, easy, so easy. That was just really, really quick and inexpensive. Now, the next thing are these. Oh, we love a multi-stick, don't we? So this is the Well People Super Natural Stick. I've got the bronzer, the highlighter, and a blush. And the bronzer is in light tan, the highlighter is in universal glow, and the blush is in pomegranate. So I'm gonna start with the blush because that's gonna be the focal point of this look, since I am going to be like not concentrating on my eyes that much. Oh, is that the prettiest color ever? Take me to the fjords. Yes, you can blend this with your fingers, absolutely. I find a tool to be faster, but if you are doing this in a slapdash hurry, this blends out really easily with the fingers, and it's really translucent, which I like a lot because that means it's gonna work on a lot of different people. It gets its opacity more from the actual complexion product underneath, so that means it's going to adapt. I saw the word over blushing yesterday. Someone said like, you know, gorgeous, gorgeous girls over blush, and I was like, that almost sounds like a bad thing, you know? Are we over blushing? I don't think there's any such thing as over blushing, but at the same time, most people would probably call what I do over blushing. But come on! on. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. So one of the ways that I make blush look more natural, especially when I'm wearing a lot less makeup, is kind of pulling it down a little bit further, almost just to where like I would look, you know, if I had been running through the fjords, guys. And that's going to make it look like my cheeks are more naturally flushed instead of like a makeup flush. So I almost don't even need like the bronzer and the highlighter of it all, but I do want to demo it just in case, because I know a lot of people are not necessarily blush people, and so they will skip the blush and mainly focus on highlighter and bronzer, and I am one of those people who absolutely never skips blush. It all depends on your taste and your skin tone and everything like that. When you're going to be like right there in the glow of your computer screen, doesn't hurt to have a little bit of extra bronzy contour, does it? But look how easy. Yeah, I've been loving these little sticks. This is just such, like, I think that the biggest thing that I've noticed about the new release of Well People with the powders and with these little creams and everything is just how beginner friendly everything is. Everything, like the eyeshadow palette, where is that thing? My kid stuck his fingernails in it, because of course he did. But like that little eyeshadow palette, the blush palette, everything, like, oh my gosh, this bronzer, this powder bronzer, they have all been like such quick additions to my everyday routine, because it's just like, my brain naturally goes to what's going to be the easiest thing. And those are just, so I can't really explain like what it is about the formulas, but they're just really, really easy to work with. And if you want, you can throw that berry color, that pomegranate, on the lips too. Very prairie, you know, makes me look like I've just been out there in the wind. And as I mentioned, I don't like to get in the weeds on my eyes, so I'm just going in with a little bit of Orchid Overload from Phytosurgeons, just to give a little hint of a glint. But again, if I allow myself to think too hard about my eyes or concentrate too hard about my eyes, then I'll just like black out and lose 10 minutes, and like that's not ideal. I've missed my Zoom meeting at that point. Now I have been really enjoying this little brow pencil. This is the teeny tiny little Expressionist brow pencil from Well People. And this is definitely an optional step, but well, it's an optional step for me, but it's not an optional step for everybody. So definitely want to make sure that I include this step, because some people wake up and the first thing they want to do is put their eyebrows on. I totally get it. But this fills them in fast. It's a really great color. Neutral green brown that my hair really wants to be. So I got this in the shade Neutral Brown, as it turns out. Gaga, 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 gaga. He's down there playing with my mother-in-law right now. Tell you what, he's got his own language. He's not quite to like talking yet, you know, making English words, but it's not stopping him from explaining things to us in his own language all the time. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of e.l.f. Wow Brow. I have this in the shade Neutral Brown. It took me a minute to find my shade in this, but State of Kate was right. This is such a phenomenal little hidden gem at the drugstore. It's got hold, not a ton of pigment, which is actually a nice thing to have for a routine like this, because you don't want your, you know, one part of your face to totally overwhelm everything else. It really gives me a chance to groom them up, but like not keep applying product, you know, keep applying color. And because, like I said, it's always kind of a nice touch to make sure that like you're controlling the way that the light is playing on your face, I will take a little bit of my super powder and just slightly blot where I don't want to be shiny, but it's not gonna like take down so much of the dewiness that it looks cakey. Do you know what I mean? It's really nice. I'm gonna throw on my mascara real quick. And then I'm going to finish off with just a little bit of lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. Champagne Glam. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but it's a lip plumping gloss. They definitely make this formula. I'm just not sure they make this color. Oh, it's spicy. And I am unable to help myself. I'm going to use a little bit of this Well People bronzer that I I have been just using constantly lately. I don't know what it is. It's just like the perfect, easy slap it on bronzer for me. All the king's horses and all the king's men cannot help my hair right now, but that's not part of the video. Just when you're on camera, just don't turn your head. Just stay straight ahead. No one will know. Maybe I'll just take her down. How about I have a bobby pin just like living in there? Hi. Let me move you guys out here real quick. You know, for hopping on a meeting or something like that, I don't think that anybody would think that I slapped myself together in 5 minutes. And I also love how like fresh it looks and how fresh it feels. You know, it's just a nice, lightweight, casual face of makeup that's very effortless. It's effortless looking and actually effortless instead of effortless looking and painstaking, which is often the case. So I hope that you guys are excited to shop Well People at your local Ulta moving forward, and you can also shop them with the links below. I also hope that this was fun for you guys. This was a video that you guys had asked me to do, you know, just kind of like paring down my routine so much so that you could do something really, really quick. And I think that it is not just about the steps in the routine, it's so much about the formulas and the colors that you choose. And that's what's so cool to me about Well People is, yes, it's clean, yes, it's drugstore, so it's very, very accessible, like great formulas, but they're also super beginner friendly. Like, I really feel like they are practically foolproof formulas. So definitely check them out. You will understand when you get your hands in them. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to keep hanging out with me on this channel, hit the button down below and subscribe. I would love it if you guys did. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me today, and thank you to Well People for working with me again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.